Let me take you back to the worst night of my life. I was sitting alone in a tiny, dark room. No job, no money, no plan. Just silence, and a voice in my head whispering, "You failed." But what if I told you, that night was the beginning of everything? The pain, the rock bottom, it forced me to rebuild, from zero. And today, I want to tell you exactly how I did it. At 25, I thought I had it all figured out. Good grades, a stable job, a decent future, but inside, I was empty, burned out, lost. Until one day, it all collapsed. I lost my job, my relationship ended, and I realized, success means nothing if you're living someone else's dream. That night in the dark, it broke me, but it also gave me clarity. I asked myself, what do I really want? What kind of person do I want to become? I made a promise, no more living on autopilot, no more pleasing others, just one goal, become the best version of me. I started small, woke up early, read 10 pages a day, took cold showers, created routines, wrote my goals, failed, got back up. Bit by bit, the momentum came back. I wasn't just surviving anymore, I was growing. And guess what? I didn't need permission. Rock bottom wasn't the end. It was the reset I didn't know I needed. And if you're in that place right now, feeling lost, I promise you, it gets better. Not overnight, but step by step, one habit at a time, one small win at a time. You have no idea how powerful you can become. If this story spoke to you, subscribe. This channel is for people like us, the ones who rise again. Welcome to Inner Drive Project. Let's grow together.